Bro, we have a video to shoot. Give me that. What the heck, man? I was winning. Winning, okay? I mean, I know we should shoot a video, but I haven't been able to come up with any original content. Like, what do you think we should do? Yo, how about like the 5 easiest riffs? It'll give the beginner something to jam on. Oh yeah, like that's not original. No YouTuber has ever come up with that before. We can do something that original riffs that no other YouTuber has ever discussed, though. Oh yeah, I kind of dig that idea. Alright, man, let's do it. Oh yeah, man, let me rock the first drift. Guys, you guys a Metallica fan? You're gonna love this first drift. It's Enter Sandman intro riff. It's super easy. Everybody will think you're a rock star if you play it. It's a classical one. I'll show you how easy it is. Look how easy that was. Rock it. What's up? Good job, Bob, for doing that for us. Okay, the second riff you're gonna love if you're into that surfer tunes. It's Safari's Wipeout. It's really fun to play, and it's really catchy. It really gets into your head, and you can learn this in about 5 seconds. So let's jump right in. It goes like this. Easy riff. So, I want you to go out there, get your surfboard, and play this riff like a boss. What's up? For all you Nirvana fans, this riff is gonna be fun for you. It's Nirvana in Bloom. Goes like this. Rock it. Thanks, Bob, for showing us that riff. So the next one is the solo by Three Doors Down called in the song Kryptonite. It's a really popular song, so I know a lot of people would like to hear that the solo is pretty easy, and it is. If you play this right, people will think you're really good at guitar. So here it goes. What's up? Thanks, Fred, for giving us that riff. So the next one, last but not least, is Bob Dylan, Knocking on Heaven's Door. It's a really great song to learn. Only contains 3 chords, so it's easy for the beginner and it's fun for the intermediate. So there we go. It's a real crowd pleaser, and I love this song personally. So let me show you how easy it is.